Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today video is going to be advanced skin retouching Photoshop using Dani Diamond action. If you enjoy this video, if you enjoy this skin retouching tutorial, leave a like and subscribe for more videos. We are heading towards our first step, working on the color as well as photo details like this. Highlight, contrast, decrease contrast, vibrance, exposure. Here is hue, saturation, luminance, 3 color correction. Framing is most important, so now I am working on making the framing size like this, and then create two new layer like this. One layer name is healing, layer 2 name is clone. Make the group of 2 layers, Ctrl Z. Then I'm here for the healing process of 2 layers. We need the healing tools for easily removing the little scars and the crosshairs like this. For the removal of bigger and rough scars, we can use the stone tools like this. Keep doing, remove the crosshair like this. Keep doing. When we use colon stamp tools, then we have to put in all layer. We will load the action, dodge and burn tool. If you need action, you can download it by going to description below. We are using dodge and burn tool. Dodge is used to remove small black spots, while burn is used to remove small white spots. It is very important to remove as many small spots as you have seen, because the result will be better later in the final. I do fast, little bit. After using dodge and burn tool, close the eye, black and white layer, and look at the result. Look at here. Oh, so many different. Delete the black and white layer because its job is to see the work of dodge and burn tool. So I have to delete it, black and white layer, merge all layer. Now we are going to load the action Dani Diamond. We'll do the work. This step is a little difficult to understand, so watch carefully. It's very easy. It is dust and scratches. I will keep the details of the photos. All layer of Dani Diamond open. If you need this Dani Diamond action, download it, description below. I will do the work of frequency separation first. So I have closed the toning and eyes layer. Copy high texture. Click right. Clipping the marks. And go to normal. And open adjustment and go to curve and uncheck. Now we will work on a high texture copy and place it in the sample in the current layer and use clone stamp tool. You can see a lot of stains here. It's all need to be removed off, and for this you need to use clone stamp tools and remove all stain. Press alt and select good skin and paste on that stain like this. Keep doing. Now we will delete the curve layer after we have done the work of high texture copy, because the work of curve is to see the work of high texture copy. Now we will work in low tone. Initially we will copy low tone and use mixer brush tool. The function of mixer brush tools is to do color balancing and makes it easier for us to color. Closing the layer of high texture because it will be easier for us to do color balancing, keeping the flow at 5%. Keep brushing in the same place until the color become nice. Keep brushing like this. Keep brushing. Right edit is the most important to make photorealistic. That's why to become a professional retoucher in editing you can follow the technique that I am explaining to you guys. I have to fast the video because it takes too long, so I have to fast. After the use of mixer, you can see the whole difference in the photo, so mixer brush is important here. Now go to high texture copy and we will load the skin texture action. If you need all this action, you can download it by going to description below. To reduce the opacity of layer 1, keep around 30-40 and press the max with create layer alt, use brush in it. View the result after completing the frequency separation. Now we will get rid of dodge and burn. You will do the work of light. Dodge and burn is done. We delete the black and white layer. Now we will do the work of eyes and toning, including the sharpness of the eyes and the color of the photos. This is how our Dani diamond retouching course is over. I think you will like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much guys, and keep supporting me.